All right, so Tally has woken up from her slumber and she is ready to go. How you doing, Tally? Look at this. There's your beeps and whistles. She's fully charged and on her way. She's got a natural defense mechanism where if you go in front of her, she'll actually stop or turn. Like, watch this, check it out. Hi, Tally. How are you? See, she'll turn. What's so funny is, like I was telling you before, is people will actually run up to her and try to scan things off the side of her. But what she does is she's got cameras on either side and she scans the entire store. So after being charged, she's ready to go. So there's 257 of these Tallies all across America. How you like Tally, sir?
I'm enjoying it. This is kind of exciting, huh?
Isn't this exciting?
Yeah, do you get the whistle to it?
If you stand in front of it, it'll turn and it does inventory, but it's a natural it's like a natural defense mechanism where it'll just move away from you.
Yeah,
She's awesome. I'm actually doing a video on my video channel. What's your name?
Eric Russell.
Hi, Eric. Nice to meet you. Alfred.
Nice to meet you. All right, Alfred.
Take care now. See, everybody loves Tally. She's America's #1 robot. And in surveys, you have kids come into this BJ's and BJ's all across America. I mean, a lot of cities, people don't have, coming from New York, we have a lot of animals and zoos and things like that. But sometimes in certain places, even if you do, kids love to come out. This is a reason they come out, and they grow very attached to certain animals or certain things. And I know for myself, growing up with Star Wars and Star Trek, always loved robots, always loved interactions with electronic beings, if you will, androids. So I think very much of you, Tally. You're the most popular robot in America. What do you think? What do you think about that? I think it's super cool. You're kind of like R2-D2. You're like a droid. And see, she's got all cameras up and down. And as she's going around like that, she's scanning everything. And what's cool is that she doesn't take a job away from anybody because she's scanning very high up where people really can't scan. And there's only one robot per store. So as you can see, there's a lot of people here working. And she's constantly giving off these beeps and whistles. There are some people who don't like the beeps and whistles. And there are a few people who are kind of nervous and scared of it, thinking it's like a surveillance camera or something. But it's not. It's not really a security thing or nothing. She's just merely here for inventory. There you go. And as you can see, Tally is seeing, like R2-D2 and C-3PO, she's seen some action. She's been here for like 3 years at the Sarasota location. And she's one of 257 in BJ's. And there are other companies which have them too. You're being very good today, Tally, as always. Staying for your interview. I really appreciate it. You're awesome. So even Kerry loves Tally. She's coming to see Tally. You want to go see Kerry today?
Hi, Tally. Haven't seen you in a while. Your friend is back. You love this thing.
Yeah. See, you insulted her. She's leaving you.
To him.
I don't know. I think it's a girl. What does everybody think out there? Is Tally a boy or a girl? I think originally, I think they said it was a boy, but I think it's either or, but it's she's neutral. But I think it's a girl. Lately I've been hearing it's a girl. Yeah? I don't know. Well, whoever it is,
Bye, Tally. See you later.
she's pretty interesting. Let's see the reaction this lady gives it. See how she navigates through the cart there. She's just gonna wait. There she goes. So again, in that recent poll, what people found from the poll was that it makes kids more interested in going shopping, and it gives them something to look forward to. It's like a friend that's in the store, or like just like you'd see like a favorite rhinoceros or something at a zoo. It just gives kids and people another thing to look forward to when they come shopping, which can be boring sometimes. And I know for me, when Carrie says she wants to go to BJ's, it's the favorite thing that I look forward to, coming to BJ's. And I like BJ's, nothing wrong with it, but like I said, because I grew up with Star Wars and Star Trek, I've always loved droids and robots and all that kind of stuff you might imagine. So yeah, so if you don't belong to BJ's, you might want to join as a result of Tally. And I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to, if everyone out there, so I think there's 257 Costco's across America. I'm sorry, BJ's. I don't know how many Costco's there are. But if everyone out there who's watching could take a picture or a little video of their local tally, that'd be awesome. So let's get all the tallies together. Let's tally them up. See how many we can tally, and maybe we can get to 257. Well, this starts with 1. So we'll see out there who's watching, and I think that'd be nice to check out all the tallies across America from all the different BJ's. And of course, I'd love to hear some stories about, if your kids go out there and meet Tally. I know Matt would have loved this. If Matt was around and he was little, and this would be tremendous. I mean, like me, Matt always loved Star Wars and Star Trek. So I'd love to hear everybody's stories out there, pro or con, if you're afraid of him or her, if you love him or her. We'd love to hear from you. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Al's American Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye now. And before we go, of course, Tally wants to say goodbye to you.